Have you ever wondered how businesses are valued? There's a lot of ways that businesses are valued. It can be a rule of thumb multiplier on net profit. It can be future maintainable earnings. There's all kinds of calculations and stuff that take place. Generally what happens is sale of business figures are prepared, which means that we get your normal figures. We take out any costs that are directly related to the way that you run your business. And things that are not cash expenses. So amortization of black hole expenses come out, depreciation comes out, interest on loans comes out, any motor vehicles that have got partial private use, anything like that comes out, and generally the wages of the owner. That way the person who is purchasing can make their own decision as to whether they're going to work in the business or not and put in what return they're expecting to gain on the business. And then dependent on your industry, then the actual net profit that's left is multiplied by a multiplier. Now this multiplier can be as little as 1 times and as high as 10 or 15 times. Now 10 or 15 times is definitely not the norm. Between 5 and 7 times is the norm for financial planning businesses. Most businesses are at a times multiple between 2 and 3 times of net earnings. So what happens there is we get 3 years of financials, we add them together, divided by 3 to get an average, and then we times that by 3. So basically 3 years worth of that, and then that is your purchase price. Now that purchase price is the return on the goodwill of the business. Stock is generally a different addition to that, and stock on hand is usually a stock take ton at time of sale, and plant and equipment, if there's a lot of it, is negotiated separately. So generally financials are prepared and businesses are valued on a times multiple. Business brokers are the experts in this area. They know, depending on industry, what your business will be worth. Accountants do often have a pretty good idea as well, and if not, we can ring our friendly local business broker and get an idea. So if you're thinking about getting your business for sale, just remember the less reliance that you have on you, the more processes and procedures and the other people doing the work rather than yourself, the higher your multiple will be.